I saw kids running, not for play but for their lives. Some didn't make it. Mothers clutched their children so tightly, whispering prayers while their faces betrayed sheer terror. People line up for food that might not come. Families who once sat together around a meal were now torn apart, separated by the chaos. The markets are gone. The buildings, the laughter, the life, it's all gone.
Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to create a story video similar to the one you just watched. In this video you will learn three things: how to prompt, how to create story video, and also I'm going to be unveiling a magic AI video generation tool that is completely free, and I will teach you how to use it. So you need to watch this video to the end. Let's get started. I use a completely free AI tool known as Minimax Hailuo Ai. Sign in with your Gmail account here. I'm already signed in. All you have to do is to sign in with your Gmail account. This is how the dashboard looks like. You have free credit, and once this credit is finished, you have daily free credit. So Minimax Hailuo Ai is a completely free tool for video generation. It allows you to use images and convert them to videos, and also allows you to use text prompts and convert them to videos. Each video is 6 seconds long, and it takes approximately 3 minutes for every video generation to be complete. Type in your prompt here, ensuring that you select text to video. I converted text prompt to videos. For the video you just watched, I used text prompt to get the videos. Every time I am typing in a prompt, I always follow this prompt guide. The first thing I make sure I put in my prompt is I choose the AI model. It can be vintage, it can be cinematic, it can be 3D AI model. So the second thing I do is I name the character. For example, David, Solomon. You name your characters. This allows you to create consistent character. Third thing I always put on my text prompt is the age of the character that I want to generate. So you have to make them understand, do you want an image of a child or an adult? I always put a number instead of using the word a child and an adult. So you have to name the age of your character. And of course, you have to mention the race of your character. That is very important. What if you want to generate a black person and it gives you a white person? For obvious reasons, you have to mention the race of your character. And the next one is action. What is your character doing? Is your character smiling, crying, dancing? What is your character doing? So is a very important thing to always add in your prompt. And the last thing you need to put is the location. Where is your character? Where is your character carrying out the action? Who is your character, David? What is the age of your character? And what is the AI model? How will the video clip look like? That is the AI model. These are the things I make sure I put in my prompt every time I'm trying to generate a video clip. So let's continue with the tutorial. Let's use an example to see if it actually works. So I've already typed in the prompt, and the prompt says, create a cinematic video of a 10-year-old Middle Eastern boy named David, joyfully dancing in a sunlight forest. He moves dynamically with spin, jumps, and expressive gestures, full of energy and happiness. The forest is vibrant with golden lights filtering through the trees, enhancing the magical atmosphere. Once you type in the prompt on Minimax Hailuo Ai, which is a completely free tool, all you have to do is to click on this 30 credit sign, and you only need to wait for 3 minutes for your generation to be complete. Minimax Hailuo Ai is an untapped code and is the same tool I use to generate the story clip you watch in the beginning of the video. Your video will start to generate here, and it's usually under my icon. If you click here, you discover what other people are generating or what other people have already generated. This is your work. This is where you see your work under here. The downside of Minimax Hailuo Ai is that you're only allowed to generate landscape videos. You do not have the chance to generate a portrait video unless you post an image in a portrait format. But if you're using text prompt, you cannot generate a portrait video, but only a landscape video, if you get what I mean. Everyone that don't want to spend money generating videos should use Hailuo Ai and start making money from it before it becomes completely monetized. So now we are done generating. Let's see the result of what we have. Okay, interesting. The movement is quite disoriented though, but it did a pretty good job. Did a pretty good job. So this is an example of how you can prompt and get your work done. If you want to know the exact way I generated my video, I use ChatGPT. So let's get straight to it and create a story. I also want to use this video to generate awareness about the war happening between Israel and Palestine. So according to so many people are quiet because of this particular issue, but I think many people need to know and support what is going on. So I created a story about the war in Palestine before the war and after the war. This is my prompt. Prompt says, I want to tell a story with video creation. Give me 10 prompts explaining the city of Gaza before the war, by showing how families were happy and the community is happy. Also show children laughing, playing, running, show men in the community talking and sharing groceries, drinking, show women supporting each other, caring for their family, and selling in the market. Pay attention to the prompt environment, and character dressing has to be similar to what people of Gaza looks like. Then show how children are crying and running during the war, some losing part of their bodies, and mothers in deep fear. Fathers fight to save the family, and families separating. Show the city being destroyed and in deep hunger. So this is what I typed, and this is what I sent out to ChatGPT to generate prompts. So let's see how the prompts looks like. All you have to do is to copy each of this, Control C, go back to Minimax Hailuo Ai and paste it there. Just like this, and you click on this 30 credits to generate. Once that is done, scroll down and copy the second one, paste it on Hailuo Ai. Continue to do this until you are done generating all your video clips. To get the sound effects that I used in the video you watched, I used Pixabay to get all the sound effects that I use, like children crying, war, sounds, gunshot sounds, and everything, family chatting, market sounds, and city sounds. All you have to do is to click on sound effects and type in the sounds that you need. Example, city, city noise. Then download them. So how do I get my story? You can use OpenAI TTS, because what we have is sound effects. We don't have the story. We don't have a background story. To get the story, use ChatGPT. This is what I typed in. Give me a 2-minute story of how peaceful the Gaza community was and how they are now paying attention to the prompts above. Then I'll send this and it will give me a story which I'll add to my videos. Once it's done generating, copy it and go to OpenAI TTS and paste it there. I like the one Jack. I will select Jack and I'll ensure that the speed is 1, which is a normal speed. Then I will select the quality that I want. I always leave it in high quality, which is very good. Then I'll click on create speech. Once you're done, they tell you that it is successful. Click on go to history where you are allowed to download it. Okay. And all I need to do is click here. Oh wow, wait. I think I'm blocking it. And it will be downloaded. All you need to do to produce your story video is to generate your video clips with Hailuo AI, your speech with OpenAI CTS, and your sound effect with Pixabay. These are the 3 things you need. Download them on your PC and go over to a video editor like CapCut and mix them together to bring your magic to life. Let me know in the comment section if you tried something similar to this, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.